Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put story on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now first of all, you'll have to create a video. In order to do so, click on the plus sign icon in the bottom section of your screen. Now record a video. Before posting it to your story, you can add a sound and also use the options available in the right hand side of the screen. Now if you are done, click on your story option. And that is how you can put story on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.